Are you locked out of your eBay account or worried someone else has your password? Change it in under 2 minutes with this simple guide. I will walk you through each step, from logging in to saving your new password. Let us get started. All right, first things first. Open up your web browser and head over to ebay.com. Just type that in normally, no tricks there. This is where everything begins. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. You will need your current email and your existing password for this. If you are already signed in and just want to update your password for safety, do not worry. You are in the right place. Now, after you are signed in, look over to the left side of the page. You will see your name there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. Do not click just yet, just hover. A small menu should pop up with a few options. And here is the important part. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This is where eBay keeps all the controls for your account. Think of it as the dashboard for everything about you on the site. Once you are in Account Settings, look for something that says Sign In and Security. Click on that. This section is specifically for managing your login details, so it is exactly what we need. Now, scroll down a little until you see the Password section. It should be pretty obvious. It is labeled clearly right there. This is where we are going to make the change. So, next to your current password, you will see a button that says Edit. Click that. A few boxes should pop up for you to type into. First, enter your current password. This is the password you are using right now. eBay needs this to confirm it is really you making the change. Take your time here. Make sure you type it correctly. Then, it is time to enter your new password. And here is where I have a quick tip from working through this process myself. Make sure your new password is something strong. Mix in uppercase and lowercase letters, throw in some numbers, maybe a symbol or two. You will also need to type it a second time in the confirm box to make sure there are no typos. This is your chance to lock things down tight. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, look for the Save button. Click that to apply the changes. And that is it. You are done. Your password has been changed successfully. You can now log out and sign back in with your new one if you want to double-check it works. So now you have a fresh, secure password and a lot more peace of mind. Thanks for following along. I will catch you in the next one.